CCTV Camera World is proud to provide support for products purchased from our website. If you purchased your product from another vendor, please contact the vendor you purchased from for further assistance.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the SCI Config Tool software to search for and initialize Security Cameras Inc. devices on your local network, whether it's IP cameras, an NVR, or a DVR. First, you're going to need to download and install the software to your Windows computer. This video description and the guide that this video is in will have a link to download the software, and then you'll need to install it on your own. To open the software, I'm going to double click the icon on my desktop. It's going to open the software in a full screen view. In order to adjust the size of the window, I can bring my cursor to the right hand side or top left hand side of the software, and then click and drag to make the window smaller. So when you open the software, it will automatically search for compatible Security Cameras Inc. devices on your network. And if you connect any newer devices after you open the tool, you can click on the Search button or Search tab to refresh the list of devices. Here we can see I have an SC4KBL Security Cameras Inc. IP camera connected to my local network. And then its initialized status is false, which means it's uninitialized and I can't use it with any recorders or modify its settings until I initialize it. If you connect it to an NVR directly, the NVR will take care of this process. But if you want to use it over your network, you will need to head over to the Initialization tab by clicking Initialization, making sure that you select the camera or devices that you want to initialize. And then down at the bottom, you need to set a password. I'm going to set our factory default password of 10 lowercase I, capital L, all lowercase t, x, y, h. And then you need to confirm that password, so type that password that you've entered in again. And it is worth noting that depending on what NVR or IP camera you have, you may need to use the password admin123 period. It would be all lowercase ADMIN 123 period. Again, that depends on the version of your hardware and your version of your firmware. But for most instances and most devices, that password will be the 10 lowercase I, capital L, and then all lowercase t, x, y, h. I've entered that password in the new password and confirm password text boxes. And then I'm going to click the Init button, which is short for Initialize. At the status, we see it is initializing, and within a few seconds, we received an Operation Succeed message, which means that this camera now is set with the password that I've entered in here. If I wanted to go test this and make sure that the camera is initialized, I'm going to open up Microsoft Edge, or I can click right on the SCI Config Tool, right on the IP address, and it's going to automatically open up a web page to my camera. So once again, you could either manually type this IP address into your preferred web browser or click right on the IP address inside of the tool, and it will conveniently take you directly to your device. So I'm going to go ahead and enter in the admin username and the password that I've initialized the camera with, then hit the login button. Within a couple of seconds, I should get video from my camera. You can see that video here. And then to get to the mainstream or high resolution stream, I would just click on the mainstream option, and it will be the full 4K video resolution from my camera. Hopefully this video helps you find and initialize any of your Security Cameras Inc. devices on your local network. Thank you for watching.
If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.